Hey guys, so this question has been asked to me in my JavaScript interview. So the question is, I have a given string and the string might contain alphanumeric, that is capital as well as small letters and as well as numbers in that. And you can see I need to convert it into this format. So you can see over here, the number got sorted. Its position is same, but the number is been sorted, and the letters over here, you can see over here, I got converted into capital, and capital got converted into small letter. Okay, so this is the task been given to me, and let's check out how we can implement this in this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I need to convert it into a array format. So let's do that by making use of split method. So what I can do, I can just create a variable. So where character is equal to input dot split. So by doing this, I will just convert this string into an array format. So now if I do console.log, you can check it out. Console.log character. Okay, so I'll just run this code. So you can see I got converted into an array format. Okay, so what I will do, I will just implement everything into a function. So whenever I pass any input to that function, it will just return me the output, something like that. Okay, so for this, I will just create a function over here. So function, you can just give as transform. Here I will just pass the input character, and yeah, so here everything I need to implement inside this function. Okay, and I just need to call this function by passing a parameter. Okay, so I'll just call this function transform. Okay, and I'll just pass this input. Okay, so now it is working. Yeah. Okay, so I have converted into an array format and it has been implemented and stored it in this character. So I just need to loop to each character and check out what it is. So if it is capital, small, then I need to convert it into capital, and if it is capital, then I need to convert it into small. Okay, so let me loop to this array. So for this, I'm going to make use of for loop. Variable I 0, I is less than character dot length I plus plus. Okay, so here I'm going to check if the letter is capital or small letter. So if character of I, okay, so here character, that is array of position 1, that is this one. Okay, so if this is greater than or equal to a, and character of I is less than or equal to z. Okay, so ASCII comes into picture over here. Okay, and here I need to add another condition where I'm going to check out the capital letters. Else if character of I is greater than capital A or small z, capital Z. Yeah. Okay, so here I need to convert it. Okay, so let me show you how I can convert I to capital I. So for this, character of I, here I'm going to convert it into capital letter. So if it is small letter, then I need to convert it into capital letter, right? So here character of I dot to uppercase. Okay, and the same thing for capital letter. So capital letter I need to convert it into small letters. So here to lowercase. So now if I print this, so I will just print character after looping this. So if I do console.log and print character, okay, so you can see. So here, sorry, copy. So this is before, and this is after converting to capital or small letters. Okay, so I will just run this code so you can see. So before it was like this, so I got converted into capital, and L was capital, so it got converted into small letters. So you can see, but the number is in the same position because I'm not iterating to number, so I'm just ignoring the numbers thing for now. And yeah, so I have converted small to capital and capital to small. So now I want to sort this, so I need to bring this 5 to the position of 6, and 6 I need to bring it to the position of 5. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, so now I have just converted all the capital letters to small letters and small letters to capital letter. So now I need to sort this numbers format. So you can see, so it is still unsorted. So I need to sort it. So what I can do, I can just create a filter over here. So here I can just create a variable digits, and to the digits I'm going to implement filter property, that is filter method to this character. Okay, so char dot filter and then item. Now I want to filter it, so I want to just filter all the numbers only. So if this is number, then I need to filter it and store it in this digits in an array format. So let's do that. So here I want to check if this item picked is number or not a number. So I can just make use of is NaN, not a number. Okay, and item. So now if I do something like this, if this is not a number, then I will just get a numbers over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just print this over here like this. So now if I run this, sorry, so now if I run this, so you can see I got digits in this array format, that is digit variable. So now I want to iterate this and add these digits in the place of this. Okay, so let's do that now. So here I want to loop this digits variable, array variable. Okay, so I just forgot one more thing. Okay, after adding all the numbers into a new array, that is digits array, I want to sort it. So what I will just give a sort method over here. Okay, so now what will happen is it will just sort it. The 5 will come first and then the 6. Okay, so now if I run this, so you can see. Okay, so now I want to iterate this loop, this array, and then I want to add this sorted numbers into this position. Okay, so let's do that. So here what I will do, I will just create a variable, variable index is equal to 0th index. Okay, and then implement a for loop variable I is equal to 0, I is less than character dot length, then I plus plus. Okay, so now here I want to check. So I'm iterating to this array, right? So I want to check if it is alphabet or it is a digit. So wherever there is a digit, I want to replace it with the array that I have created, the digit array I have created. Okay, so let me show you. So here, if is not a number at position character of I. Okay, so here if it is not a number, if it is number, then I'm just adding this symbol, that is not operator, so it means that it is a number. So in place of this I want to add this variable, that is 5, sorry, number. Yeah, okay, so here character at position I is equal to digit index, and then I want to just increment this index by +1. Okay, so I'm just going post increment. Okay, so I'm just adding this digit, that is 5 in this place, and then I'm just incrementing the index value by 1, that is. So now if I run this, okay, so I will just log this again, the character array. I will just add it over here. So character. So if I run this, so you can see now it has been sorted and also alphabets has been capitalized and small lettered. Okay, so now here at the final step, I want to return a proper string instead of this array. So what I will do, I will just make use of return statement here. Return character dot join. Okay. Okay, so what this will do is it will just return this character which was in a array format, and it will just convert it into a string format and return it from this function to wherever it has been called. So here I will just create a variable result is equal to, and then I will just console this result over here. Okay, result is equal to result. So let me run the code. So you can see, okay, I will just print before also. Okay, I will just remove this log. Okay, so before and off, so it is showing indefinite, sorry, so here I just need to use index in input. Okay, so you can see before it was this, so now I have converted into this format. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto. Thank you.